What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I've made a much needed upgrade to my setup to hopefully make my videos better. And today I got a new graphics card. This is an RTX 3060 with 12 gigabytes of RAM. Let's go. It can support up to 4 monitors. I only have 2. Still a lot. I was anticipating making this video. I don't have a video planned for this week, and we'll test it out on some Fortnite. But yeah, that's the one I ordered right there. You could see the texture's little right there. That is in fact what I ordered, so I'm happy about that. I actually have an RX 580 4 gigabytes, so this is 12 gigabytes right here. There is plastic on it, but it is pretty big, as you can see. Alright, well, let's get this thing in, and yeah, I'm gonna get this in my computer. Alright, so it is officially time to shut down my PC before my new graphics card. That's my old one in there, so let's go shut it down. Here we go. Bam, shut down. Now let's get this one out and put the new one in. And just a quick tip, if you guys are actually replacing your graphics card too, make sure that you delete all of your old drivers, especially if you're switching brands, because if you don't, there could be a lot of issues. And I'm actually watching a video right now about this software, so yeah, if you are doing that, make sure you delete all your drivers first. So that's what I'm doing right now. Unplug that. You really want to unplug that, just so you know. You really got to unplug that before you mess with any of the components inside. Alright, so now I got into my computer. As you can see, pretty nasty in here. And now, gotta get that out of here somehow. So now I just gotta remove it very carefully. Careful enough. Alright, there's my old card right there. Out with the old and in with the new. Oh yeah. Oh, that was not a good sound. Time for a very satisfying part. Oh, crap. Peeling this off. Oh yeah. Alright, let's put this in very cautiously, just like that. So I got it installed. As you can see, it's all secured in place now. I actually never removed this when I got my case, so I'm gonna do that. Oh, I'm gonna remove this real quick. Never removed it before till now. I'm just gonna plug everything back in and turn this thing on. Alright, so I plugged it back in. I plugged everything back in. Now it's just time to click the power button to see if it turns on. 3, 2, 1. Dang! That looks freaking sick. There's a big glare, but dude, look at that. So yeah, I got my old graphics card right here. This is gonna go to my brother. It's a pretty good beginner card, I'm not even gonna lie. So this is gonna go to my brother, and now I'm gonna get the drivers for this and test them out. Okay, so before we go test the new graphics card, I played a game with my old graphics card, and as you can see, I was getting about 50 FPS landing in, so not very good. Right here, as I'm fighting, I'm getting about 120 FPS. It's all over the place, but I mean, it's not terrible, but it is very all over the place a lot of the time. So now I am playing with my brand new graphics card. I got about 100 FPS in the battle bus, pretty decent. And we're gonna go land Mega City, and for some reason the graphics look better, even though I'm also getting 50 FPS looking at Mega City. But the graphics look better for some reason, even though I had the same settings. Man, I don't got very good guns, but I do got pretty good FPS right now. What the frick, bro? I'm getting... oh no. But the good thing is I'm not losing a lot of FPS when I'm getting into fights. Hit that guy. Oh my. Oh, I'm out of mats. I got mats. I'm scared. I'm leaving. I'm liking this, bro. I'm liking this. I can actually fight and not lose FPS. It's really nice. It doesn't stutter badly. Like, it doesn't stutter when I get into fights. Because sometimes you would do that with my old card. Uh-oh. Oh, I'm out of mats. Great. Nope, I'm stuck in this game. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of this video. Clearly, this is a pretty good upgrade. As you can see, the recordings are so much more smoother now. I'm gonna do some other videos, like testing out the ultra settings and stuff like that. So make sure you subscribe for that. That'll be pretty cool. Subscribe to get me to 1,000 subscribers. I'm gonna do something crazy like buy a volcano or something. Tell me what else I should do, because I'll probably do that. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.